We have some new guests on the boat today, and we met them here at the marina, and they're going to come out with us. They have a much fancier boat than us, so they're gonna take a step back in time to 1980.
Hi, I'm Angelica. This is Paul, and this is our dog, Dean Martin, but we just call him Dino for short. And this is our 1980 Morgan 382 Sea Angel. Subscribe and hop on board as we outfit her for adventures in the Caribbean.
Breathe you in like ocean breeze, sway to the crashing of the waves.
Let the seaside stars set the stage. Wanna get the whole world off your mind. Put your heart.
Welcome to the boat, Lisa.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here today, and we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Welcome to the boat, Russell.
Thanks.
Where's your pirate hat?
I know I left it.
We met Russell and Lisa at the marina that we are staying at until we leave, and they offered to come onto our boat and teach us a little bit more about sailing, and at the same time get the experience of working on a sailboat that does not have everything set up at the push of a button. Russell is actually an incredible teacher, and so we are so grateful that he decided to come onto the boat. And Lisa was very excited to get her chance to work a boat that you actually have to go out on it to raise the sails, and it's just a little more physical than their beautiful Beneteau.
Second time sailing. A little bit windier.
What?
No, you pull your chip sheet out.
I don't know how.
That is it.
Oh.
Let that go loose and pull. Yeah, just like any other boat. Yep. But I'm going to tail it a little bit on this side.
Okay. It's hard to pull.
Are you sure?
Do I need a wind? No.
No, I think you pull the other line.
Lisa seems to be greatly enjoying the Sea Angel and all of her conveniences that were popular in the 1980s, just coming out of the 1970s, when actually this boat was probably made in 1979, which makes it as old as Paul.
We're nice and making waves.
I told you we were going to put a rail in the water.
Yeah.
We did.
Prior to starting the sail, Russ was determined to get our rails into the water and all of our stuff onto the floor. So I'd say it was a successful sail all around. We'd had just about enough of Russell's shenanigans and decided to take our boat back. So we brought in the Genoa and headed back to port. I ask you, who's the captain now, Russell? It takes us about 30 minutes to get from the lake that we sail in regularly back to the marina. So everybody took their part in getting the boat prepared to come back to the marina. All in all, it was a fantastic and fun trip. Everybody enjoyed it. We absolutely loved having people on our boat and getting to experience the boat with someone else besides ourselves. When we got back to the marina, there was treats for all and celebration, excitement, because after you sail, you have to have crudité and chambon. Hello. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. Share this video with your friends. Let me know if there's anything that you want to watch or you want to know about. Again, thank you so much. Thanks for sailing with us this week. Woo!